Japanese ginger salad dressing. If you want the salad dressing that tastes just like what they make at hibachi restaurants, that cute little appetizer salad you get while they're cooking your delicious food, this is it. Let's go make some. I was dying to know what the secret is to making this dressing at home. After a bit of research and multiple recipe variations, I think I figured it out. I have all of our ginger salad dressing ingredients measured out and prepped. All we have to do is get them in our blender and mix them until they're combined. We're going to start with the veggies first. We need a half a cup of diced yellow onion, 2 tablespoons of carrots, celery, and ginger. The secret ingredient to this dressing recipe is 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Now for our wet ingredients. We're going to do a half a cup of peanut oil. It does affect the flavor for sure, but if you don't like peanut oil or if you can't use it for allergies, just use another neutral flavored vegetable oil. Then we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. Now we're going to do 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. It's so bright and so yummy. Then we're going to do 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of water. Then you're going to add a double pinch of salt and a single pinch of black pepper. Now all we have to do is get it blended. So I'm using a smoothie blender just because it's so easy and I do like the texture, but you can also do a mini food processor or just a regular blender. We're going to go for about a minute, 2 minutes at the very, very most to get the texture that we're going for. Now, if you want the written recipe, you can grab the link in the description below. It'll take you over to fancyaproncooking.com where you can get the hibachi salad dressing recipe. We're going to pop this in an airtight container and get it in the fridge for 2 hours so all of these flavors can come together before we actually serve it on our salad. To assemble the salad, we're going to start with our iceberg lettuce. I like to chop it up in pretty small bite-sized pieces. It just makes it super easy to eat, especially for my kids. Then we're going to do some shredded carrots. Now you can hand dice these if you want, but I have this little peeler that just grates off carrots, which makes it super easy. Then we're going to do some red cabbage. Now my tip with red cabbage is that you want to slice it as thin as possible. It really makes the texture good and it doesn't make those bites overwhelming. Then all we need are a handful of cherry tomatoes washed and cut in half. Now we can finish this out with a little quartered cucumber and our veggies are ready. So when I assemble the salad, I start with the greens in a big bowl and then I dress those first so that the salad dressing gets a chance to hold on to the lettuce and it's really flavorful all the way throughout. Then I'll come back and I will top all of my other veggies and give it a little spoonful of extra dressing on top. That's it. That's everything you needed to know to make this recipe. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Come back and cook with me more. Subscribe so I can share more easy recipes with you that you can feed your wonderful family.